Welcome to Excel Hacks in our daily life video number 4. In this video, we're gonna learn three things: how to get unique dates, how to get sum of cases, and how to calculate weekly average ratio. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now to get the unique dates, we'll first start with the function called count if. Count if. Okay, so count if will give this e1 to e1, comma. Now for the criteria, we'll give the whole control shift down arrow, control backspace. Now here we'll do a little trick. This first E1 will lock it by just pressing F4 key, and here to freeze the ranges of cell we'll press again F4 key. Okay, now close the parentheses and press F9. You'll see all zeros here. Okay, Control Z to undo. Now we're gonna match, we're gonna wrap it with index. First of all, index, this is the array, comma, and row number is compulsory here, but we don't want to put any row number. We'll just skip the row number. Now we'll press F9 again, we'll get the 0. Okay, now we're gonna match match 0 lookup value, this is, and here we want the exact match F4. F9 we are getting 1. Okay, now index once again. To get the value from here, dates, click on the first cell. Now Control Shift down arrow, F4 to lock it, comma. Now at the end, close the parentheses, F9 will get this. Okay, Control Enter. This is the first date we are getting. Drag it down, we are getting unique dates. Okay, we are getting unique dates. Okay, we are getting unique dates, and I'll just try to. Then last date is 11 September. After that, there is no other date. That means we are getting value error. Okay, Alt H E A. To remove this error, we wrap this function with if error. If error. This is whole function formula is the value and comma. Now value if error, give me nothing, double quote, bracket close, Control Enter, double click and send it down. Now we'll go here and just will try to expand it. We are getting nothing. That is, we're doing the right thing here. Alt H E A to remove. Okay, now for the cases, to get the sum, we'll start with the SUMIF function. SUMIF, okay, range, this is the range, Control Shift down arrow, F4 to lock it, comma. Now we want criteria and go up bracket close, sum range, this is the sum range, control shift down arrow, F4 to lock it, close the parentheses, control enter. This is how we get the result. Now third thing, we want the weekly average ratio. So we'll start with the offset function, offset, tab, okay, this one, comma, I don't need any rows, I don't need any columns, height, there are 7 days in a week, that means we'll have to close and we'll just try to see this, what we are getting. We are getting values for 7 days. 11, 12, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 7 days we are getting. Control G and wrap it with the average function. Average, whole number, bracket close, control enter. 4.86. Double click and send it down. F9 to see the result, we are getting only 2. Click here, number 1, F9, 2, then rest 7 days we are not getting any values. Okay, this is how we can solve this type of work. So first of all, we'll use index match, index count if, and wrap it with if error function to get the unique date. To get the sum of cases, we use sum if function, and finally offset and wrap the offset function with average function to get the weekly average ratio. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.